Good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday, April 29th, and I wanted to prepare a quick tutorial for our Google Meet this morning because we are going to need a dual screen. One screen for you to play Kahoot on and the other screen for you to see the questions and the answer choices. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I pulled up kahoot.it right here, and then I have my new tab here. So what I'm going to do is in my new tab, I'm going to pull up the Google Meet, and you can see that my office hours, and then the Sanderlin's homeroom meeting is at 11:30, and then Ms. Saikano's homeroom is at 12:15. I did this just to kind of pare down the amount of people in each meeting, but if you're doing something at 11:30 and you're Ms. Sanderlin's homeroom, please join us at 12:15, and vice versa, my students' homeroom. If you are doing something at 12:15 and you need to meet at a different time, please come in to Miss Sanderlin's homeroom meeting. We are doing the exact same thing. I just want to make sure that I can give children individualized attention if necessary, and that we won't be talking over each other like in previous meetings. So I can go ahead and let's pretend I'm Miss Sanderlin and it's 11:30. I can click on that. This is one of the most important things. You're going to mute yourself before you head into your meeting. Before you come into the meeting, before you click join now, please go ahead and mute yourself. Okay, you can also turn the camera off, and I'm going to leave that off for right now so that you don't have to look at my face. All right, the next big thing that we want to look at is how to get a dual screen. A lot of you already know this from gaming, but I'm going to go over it for parents and kids who do not know. So over here I have a minimizing, and then what I can do is take my Kahoot and I can drag it out, okay? And that way I can make my screen larger over here, okay? And if you don't like yours over there, you can put it here. You have flexibility here to go ahead and move it around, okay? You're gonna be able to see on your Google Meet screen, the one that's on the left-hand side right now, you're going to be able to see the question and the answer choices over here. And I will leave the music on, but I'll turn it down. For some of them, I will be reading them out loud just for time's sake. And you'll have a minute to answer each question. So feel free to grab some paper, some scrap paper, and a pencil or a pen or a crayon or color pencil or whatever it is. And I will give you the Kahoot code. Of course, it'll come up over here. And I look forward to seeing you all at your scheduled times. And again, if you cannot make one time, please, oh, please try to make the other. And I really, really look forward to hearing your voices. But remember, always come on mute. All right, see you soon.